Hello ABAP developers, welcome to the channel. I'm Krishna Kamaje. Today we are diving into super important topic, what to learn next for ABAPers. If you're in an ECC project or if you're in a S4HANA project but doing developments as so it is an ECC system, or if you feel stuck in the past, don't worry. I have got four key areas you need to focus on to stay relevant and boost your career prospects. Covering these four areas might take between 1 month to 6 months, depending on the time you invest. Let's get started. All right, so let's talk about why upskilling is crucial. The job market is rapidly changing, and if you don't know how to work on S4 HANA, making use of its strengths, you could be out of your job very soon. Companies are looking for developers who are up to date with latest SAP technologies. By learning these new skills, you will not only secure your job, but also open doors to exciting new opportunities. Now, let's dive into the four key areas you need to master. So, the first focus area is ABAP CDS modeling. This is the foundation for all modern ABAP development. Learning CDS views helps you to work with data more efficiently and enables you to build more powerful SAP applications. Why is it important? If you're creating or extending transactional apps using RAP, then ABAP CDS views is where you start. Or if you're working on building data models for SAP DataSphere, again, it's ABAP CDS is what you need. Or if you are working on SAP Analytics Cloud, or even working with embedded analytics tools like KPI Modeler, even then ABAP CDS views is where you start. So that is the importance of ABAP CDS views. So where to learn ABAP CDS views? Check out this ABAP CDS development user guide. This talks about creating ABAP CDS entities, creating associations, creating extensions, or adding annotations, and how to analyze complex ABAP CDS views, and many more topics. Next, go through this short ABAP CDS best practice guide. It talks about ABAP CDS complexities, ABAP CDS performance tuning, and other related topics. Links are always in the description of this video. So that gives you a very good foundation on ABAP CDS. Next area to focus is ABAP Cloud and RAP, that is RESTful ABAP Programming Model. Why it is important? Most new developments in S4HANA are API or OData based, and RAP is essential for generating OData APIs. By mastering RAP, you can build new applications or extend applications in the right way and in an efficient way. Plus, learning a little more about Fury elements and annotations involved will help you to generate a full stack Fury application with ease without need of a UI5 developer. So that is the power of RAP. So where to learn it? Start with a 10,000 feet overview. ABAP Cloud technical use cases and recommended technologies. This is an SAP document. This gives you an overview of what technologies to use for various use cases. For example, how to send emails within S4HANA, or how to schedule a job, how to create lock objects, when to create a new FM or function module, when to create a new class, so on. This is a great document which you can keep as a reference for your future work as well. Now that you have got an overview, you might realize the importance of RAP. So we will focus on mastering RAP as our next step. For that, we go to OpenSAP course on RAP. This is a wonderful resource and gives you an all-round introduction to RAP. Next, you need some deep dive into coding. For that, go through SAP Developers YouTube playlist, as this lets you go through various extension scenarios and implement them by writing actual code. That concludes our second focus area. Next area to focus is clean core concepts and clean core extensions. Why is it important? SAP is pushing hard for clean core concepts to ensure that S4 HANA can be migrated easily more often. Also, migrating to S4 HANA Cloud in future can be seamless and maybe easier. Understanding the three-tier extensibility concept ensures your developments are future-proof and compliant with clean core concepts. So where to learn? Start with practical guide for extensions for senior IT leadership. This gives you a conceptual overview of technologies and approaches around clean core. Next, time to go a little deeper. Check out this blog. It gives a great introduction to clean core concepts and three-tier extension concept. After going through both these documents, you should have a solid overview of clean core and extension methodologies. Next, it is time to deep dive and into the code. Go through this SAP extensibility guide. It discusses various custom code use cases and which extensibility layer needs to be followed for each of those use cases. It gives detailed instructions on how to develop these extensions. So far, we have covered three areas. At this point, you should be good at developing new applications and new extensions within S4 HANA. This is all good as long as you are working in an S4 HANA project. What if you want to do a conversion project? So that brings us to the next focus area. Next focus areas is skills around ECC and S4 HANA conversion. Why is it important? With ECC support ending in 2027, conversion projects will be everywhere very soon, or there already are. In ECC, almost all customers have lots of custom code. Of course, all of them in ABAP. Learning how to handle custom code migration is vital and a great skill to acquire. Mastering the conversion process is essential for helping companies transition smoothly into S4HANA. So, where to learn these skills? Dive into custom code migration guide. So this is a document as well as there is a SAP Fury app with the same name. So don't get confused. So you configure this Fury app before you do the system conversion and figure out which custom codes are really used. So this is basically done to ensure that you basically transition or migrate only the custom code which is really required. This document gives you steps on how to configure and use this Fury app. It also gives you steps to configure the app post conversion, configure the ATC checks, and ensure the system stays clean even after going live. Once you are in S4 HANA, SAP releases new S4 HANA versions every year. So upgrading S4 HANA from one version to another version is also an important skill. Go through this particular document to plan upgrading S4 HANA private or on-premise versions. It talks about technical upgrade, functional upgrade, their difference, preparing and executing the upgrade. So that completes all the four key focus areas and how to get those four key skills as well. Once you go through this content to validate your skills and boost your confidence, consider getting certified. SAP Certified Associate Backend Developer ABAP Cloud is a certification you can aim for. Remember, don't rely on dumps on the internet. Use this certification as a true confidence builder for yourself. Check out the certification details in this particular link. Finally, stay ahead of the curve by networking in SAP events like SAP TechHead, Sapphire, SAP Insight Tracks. It is at these events that you build relationships, meet like minded people, and keep in touch to help you in your learning journey. Connect with those people on LinkedIn, follow the right people, and keep track of what is happening in the ABAP world. The next SAP Insight track is in Bengaluru on July 6th, 2024, and I'll be there. Registration link will be in the description as well. Engage with the community on answer.sap.com or blogs.sap.com, LinkedIn, Twitter, so on. Share your experiences and learn from others. That's a great way to be ahead of the curve. By the way, if you're looking for career guidance in SAP, I offer it on TopMate as one-to-one session. It is a paid service, and I'm confident that you'll come out of it thoroughly satisfied and with a clear direction. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's keep pushing forward together and make the most of our SAP journeys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.